obligation to be at the market every week because people expect me to be there, and I've told them that I'll be there. I feel those kinds of obligations. But we are not real joiners. Farmers are kind of a maverick breed, you know, they're loners. We don't have grandkids because we never had kids, so we don't have a lot of that dynamic in our life either. And we tend to stay so busy that it's okay with us. You know, you get into a groove and you go with it. Produce a high quality product that keeps us in the market